Good morning, sir. Class. Today in this session of business studies, we'll start with business risk, nature and causes. Now, risk is because of uncertainty. We do not know what will happen the next moment. Nobody knew in the month of December that India will be locked down for 1.5 months. It's nearly 1.5 months now. So it's because of uncertainty. Nobody knew what will happen the next moment. You might have seen that there is a change in weather or there is a change in climate also. The countries where no rainfall was there, last year there was a heavy rainfall. The risk is there everywhere. The business risk refers to the possibility of inadequate profit or even losses in business because of uncertainties. And uncertainty is the mother of risk. Like take an example, we all are from Dehradun, and in Dehradun, Jhanda Fair is famous for Dehradun is famous for Jhanda Fair also. But this year, because of this COVID-19, the people, the vendors, those who were there, retailers, those who were there, were asked to leave the next day because of uncertainty. So risk is the mother of uncertainty. Now, according to Wheeler, risk is a chance of loss. It is a possibility of some unfavorable occurrence. Now, in the words of C.O. Hardy, risk may be defined as uncertainty in regard to cost, loss, or damage. Now, nature of business risk. First, risk is a result of uncertainties. Risk is outcome of uncertainty. We do not know what will happen the next moment. So it's uncertainty, such as human, business, or natural. Now, human uncertainty, strikes are there, thefts are there. You can't control. Lockouts are there. We can't control them. Business uncertainty, wrong assessment of demand. Sometimes the people there, like take an example, in summers, coolers are sold, ACs are sold. But now, due to lockdown, our ozone layer is repaired, and you can see the weather of that. Now, if this happens, no, I think that demand for cooler will come down automatically. Or change in prices. Then natural uncertainties are earthquake, epidemic, pandemic like COVID-19 is there. So these are natural uncertainties. We can't control. We can overcome, but we can't overcome. We can reduce it. Now, nature of business, second is risk is unavoidable. Risk cannot be eliminated, though it can be minimized to a certain extent. Because of your experience, it can be minimized. Careful decision making, insurance cover, accurate forecast helps in reducing the risk in the business. So businessmen, those who have, like take an example, in last 2 months, not a single, in last 1.5 months because of lockdown, not a single automobile company is able to sell a single unit of car or. So this is unavoidable. Reward of risk is profit. Profit is a reward for bearing risk. A businessman undertakes risk in expectation of profits. Risk and profits are directly related. Higher the risk, higher the profit, lower the risk, lower the profit. Now the pharmaceutical company, those who are engaged, those who are doing research for COVID-19 or coronavirus, and if they come out with the vaccine, so they will earn a huge profit. The reward for risk is profit. Higher the risk, higher the profit is there. Now risk varies with nature and scale of business. Risk varies with the nature and scale of business. Like take an example of your wedding industry. Now wedding industry, there is an industry called wedding industry also. It has emerged. Now in a year, 45,000 crore business is there for wedding industry, from wedding industry. But due to this coronavirus, all business is lost. So business dealing in fashion oriented products. If fashion changes, if taste of people changes, then the product is obsolete. Or electronic gadgets, like take an example, there are innovation every now and then. There are innovation. Those who are in electronic media, electronic gadgets business, so they have to. There is a risk. Then other who deal in essential commodities, not those who are in FMCG products. Soap will remain soap. So there is less risk as compared to electronic or fashion-oriented industry. Similarly, business operating on large scale has higher risk than business operating on small scale. So a wholesaler has more risk than a retailer. Thank you.